Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to center worksheet horizontally in Excel. So let's open an Excel sheet, and if you let's say it's the data we have to print, and if you go to this file tab and go to print button, you can see it's in the left alignment and in the corner. So we'll make it to center and horizontally. So for this we have to go to page layout and click on margins, go to custom margins, and you can customize your margins from here. And for horizontally you have to click on horizontally here from center on page option and click on OK. Now if you go to this file tab and click on print, as you can see it's just in the center and in horizontal position. So this is how you can center your worksheet horizontally in Excel. Hope this short tutorial helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.